Good morning and welcome back to another video, PharMore Money family. Today we're going to be covering Apple, the $2.5 trillion market cap company, this incredible blue chip stock that also pays a massive dividend too, which is besides the fact. So guys, we're going to dive into Apple today, discuss the earnings coming up next Tuesday for the quarter 3 financial results. Very excited, very intriguing, and just excited as an Apple investor myself, and I hope many of you are. There's so much to look forward to with this company. It's a tech company. On top of it, it's a chip company as well. They took a lot of that production in house over this past year because of COVID, and they're a company that develops iPhones and laptops and AirTags, and we're going to talk a whole lot more about it. And Apple TV is another piece of it. From the subscription piece. Very excited to see where earnings land this coming Tuesday, and I think it's going to have a massive, massive run up after. Their earnings call. I think they can easily, get up to that 170, 180 price target that we're going to discuss in this video. A lot of, hedge funds and financial firms out there have already predicted that it will do. Apple, guys, currently is up 20% since mid-May, and it's trading right now near the highs of around $150 as it heads into its quarter 3 financial release. Now, the recent run follows a period of extended stagnation for the world's largest company. So, it's obviously worth $2.5 trillion in market cap. Apple is up only 10% since September 1st to lag the Zack tech sector 25% climb, and the S&P 500's 23% climb. Its underperformance seemed due given its massive run following the COVID crash, and it's up 180% in the last 2 years versus the tech sector's 80%. Apple and the broader technology gains in the past 2 months might give some investors pause, but those of us with long-term horizons shouldn't focus too hard on finding the best entry points. Let that be for the traders and the options traders and the day traders. Apple at this time is looking extremely nice to buy and jump in. So let's dive in and talk a little bit more about Apple as it heads into its quarter 3 financial earnings. So, Farmer Money family, obviously Apple shares have rallied to fresh new highs, right? It's boosted the company's valuation to nearly $2.5 trillion amid a flurry of bullish notes from Wall Street ahead of the company's June quarter financial results. It's due this coming Tuesday, and expectations are growing for the fall launch of the new iPhone 13 as well. Bloomberg is reporting that Apple has asked suppliers to build as many as 90 million iPhone 13 units, up from previous initial orders for new generations of iPhones of around 75 million units. This would suggest the company anticipates strong demand for the second generation of 5G capable phones. And I am stoked. I am super excited. I can't wait to get my hands on one of the iPhone 13s as well. I hope you all are excited, and let's continue on with this video. More Money family, what's the analyst take on Apple, right? What are the big houses out there, the financial powerhouses, saying about Apple as it heads into its earnings, as well as beyond, right? 5-10 years outlook from that standpoint. So JP Morgan came out on Wednesday and they repeated their overweight rating on Apple stock, lifting the price target to $175 from $170 and adding it to the firm's analyst focus list. JP Morgan said that they both see upside revisions to iPhone 12 build estimates and continued strength in iMac sales, and they think that the street's expectation for the coming iPhone 13 cycle remains way too low, which is a good thing for us retail investors because we have time to jump in and take advantage of that price point of even $148, $150 before it runs up to $170, $200 and beyond. Citigroup repeated the buy rating as well and set a $170 price target on Apple shares while lifting their profit estimates for this quarter, next quarter, and both fiscal 2022 and fiscal 2023. The group also believes that the demand for Macs, iPhones, and wearables, in particular the Apple Watch and the new AirTags, is going to be extremely high, and that's why they're also even more bullish at this point in regards to Apple earnings and their new price target. So in regards to AirTags and why it's such a big deal that they're such a hot selling commodity right now, or piece of equipment. Independent research shows that many iPhone users are purchasing Apple's newly launched AirTags and purchasing them in the 4 packs for $99 versus single purchases for $29. Importantly, many are also opting for key rings and loops. The result is that many are spending more on the accessories than the actual AirTags without fully realizing this due to the desire for fashion and appearance over function. The analysts as well are noting that accessories have even higher margins, and Apple's world-class marketing is not only upselling additional accessories, but also resulting in a network effort of users freely advertising to other users, hence creating like a virtuous cycle, which is only starting. All this all made possible due to the Apple platform of exceptional integrated user experience and privacy. So, PharMore Money family, in closing, right, what's Apple's future ahead look like, right? So, CEO Tim Cook's mission has always been to transform Apple from more than just an iPhone company, right? He wants to make it an everyday company where not just for the iPhone, but every aspect of your life will be something related to Apple. And we're seeing that from its massive and growing user base. These service efforts go beyond its App Store and include Netflix and Spotify as competitors, but it also includes a subscription news offering, a video game platform coming soon, digital workout classes, and much more. Apple Music is another example. Apple ended Q2 with 660 million paid subscriptions that included Apple TV as well, up 145 million from the year ago period and twice the number of paid subscription it had only 2.5 years ago. So if this is any indication of where Apple is headed, just based off the subscription models itself, I think we're going to see massive run up after market close on, Tuesday with earnings coming out. I think we're going to see just a nice run up finally for Apple to be able to hit that 170, 180, 200 price target in the next coming months, right? From that standpoint, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Looking forward to making more content this week and getting it out in front of you, as well as more videos on the way. Been working quite exclusively on some content that I know will help better everyone and their lives as well. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great Sunday. Thank you.
Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and hit the like button, and please do subscribe. Turn on your notifications as videos are going to continue to pour in as we move forward through 2021. This is going to be the road and journey to wealth and to just massive portfolio returns as we move forward. Thanks, everyone.